Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I'm going to show you around my lab. So it says here biological hazard, so only people with an access card can enter. So before we go into the lab, we need to wear our lab coat, and that is mine. So let's put on the lab coat first. So after we put on our lab coat, we can go into the lab. Now I'm going to show you my bench. So this is my lab bench. It has a lot of different liquids and pipettes and Bunsen burner. Before we touch any surfaces or start any work in the lab, we need to wear our gloves. At those ones. So I'm going to put my gloves first, okay? I also have these seeds, and these are the plant seeds that I use for my experiments. So that's quite a lot. That's my seed reserves. Yep, let's go, and that's actually bacteria that had been killed. That's why it says kill on the bottle, because we need to kill those bacteria before we wash the bottles, so they are not dangerous to humans or any animals. Okay, now this is actually a cabinet that we use to do experiments, and this is a clean cabinet because we don't want any contamination or any bacteria inside. So we usually turn on the UV lamp first. So the UV light is on, and you usually turn it on for 10 to 15 minutes, so then it'll kill any bacteria inside. Now once it's already 10 to 15 minutes, we can turn it off and we can use the cabinet. So open this up first. Okay, and there's the hole. We put this away and we can turn it on. See? So you can't put your head inside the cabinet, you can only put your hand, so it's it'll be clean. So this is where I usually do my experiments, all my work is in here. And after we finish doing the experiment, we need to wipe it off with ethanol. I just grab a bottle of ethanol here. So we usually spray the ethanol around and we clean it. And we turn it off. And put this back in. Okay, that's it. So this is a place where I actually grow all my plants in. The place has a lot of cabinets called growth cabinets, and that is the door that we need to go in. We need to push the button first. Let's go. It's very, very noisy here because all of the growth cabinets are running, and we're going to see some of my plants which are in here. So it has a window, you can see my plants growing. but can also open the door to check my plants. They had been growing for a while, so we have that black pockets to prevent the light from coming through, so then the roots can grow happily, because roots can't grow. Well, they can grow in light, but they prefer not to grow in the light. So we can have a look at what's happening. Open this. And oops, here are the roots. Yeah, they're growing okay. They're growing a lot, so they are happy. So that is good. So those are the plants. A lot of plates. So those are my plants too. They are growing inside jars. And that's it for tour for today. And Assalamualaikum.